What's up, guys? Welcome back to Max Boneyard Builds. Hit the junkyard yesterday, picked up a new tailgate for the new 98 Silverado project. Also picked up an alternator. Today ran and grabbed a new heater hose. But I'm not the one who's going to be installing it. The kid who's going to be driving this truck is. Alright guys, plan of action today. First and foremost, we have to fix the radiator, the heater line for the coolant, because that's leaking everywhere. While we have that off, we're going to go ahead and switch out the alternator, so that way it's out of the way. And the man who's going to be performing all these operations is going to be Bennett. Say hi, Bennett.
Hi.
Alright.
Switched it right.
Anytime you're doing any electrical work, make sure you take your negative battery terminal off.
It's not going
That
on.
way you don't have any spark shows or anything going on. Last thing you want to do is fry your computer or do something really stupid.
So like
Yep.
that. Alright.
Yep. Pull it straight out, like towards me.
Oh, like
See how it's got? See how it's inside here?
yeah.
Pull it out.
Oh, okay, so like that.
Plop. There you go. This is a quick disconnect, is what it's called. There's a prong here and a prong on that side. You can try to do it by hand. You're probably gonna have to grab
Pliers.
a pair of pliers.
Yeah. That the right one?
No, I'll go another door up. Once you squeeze it, then you're gonna pull it backwards.
It just came off.
What just came off?
The thingy, the prong.
Oh, joy. You're gonna follow the hose down and you'll see, yep, another one or another guide.
There we
Yep,
go.
pull it out of there. And then
Then-
further back,
There's another thing.
hose clamp. Yep,
Yeah.
take off that hose clamp.
That
Nope,
and that.
yep. Probably either a screwdriver or
I can't see.
socket again.
It's a screwdriver. Where are the screwdrivers?
There should be one laying right on top. Alright guys, we got it disconnected from the motor. He took it off the rest of the guides. Now he's going down, taking off the hose clamp that goes towards the firewall. And of course, working with anything old, whenever we were trying to get it off of the intake, the quick disconnect did not quick disconnect. And the adapter that goes on top of the manifold broke. So we are going to have to run to the parts store quick and pick up one of those.
Who's on the right?
Alright guys, this is supposed to be a quick disconnect. There's tabs on either side. You squeeze down here, another one over here. Well, that tab broke. After this broke, we were trying to do our best to get it out of the coupler here, and of course the coupler being since 1998, it gave way, snapped right on the manifolds. We're going to work that out. We got to go get a new one of these couplers. Alright, since that's out of the way and we're on pause, we're going to go ahead and take the alternator off. So Ben, you're going to want to take this boot off on the back of the alternator.
So what boot?
There's a boot right
Okay.
here.
So just like
Pull.
like that. Can't see it.
What's it look like?
I don't know.
Well, I can't see past your hands. Okay, the whole thing's not coming off.
Oh, I thought it was.
Just look. Come on this side. Just the boot.
Oh.
Once you pull the boot off, that's going to expose a bolt in the back.
Okay.
That needs to come undone.
All right. Sure, this is going the right way.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Are you sure? It's like wrapping around the wire. So I'm going the right way originally. Wow.
No. I think the whole post is spinning.
Yeah, it's all spinning.
Yeah, the whole post is spinning. So you're gonna have to go grab
Pliers.
grab another half-inch. Grab a half-inch wrench. Nope. No. A wrench that says half-inch on it.
Oh, this is a wrench.
Hey. He's gonna get it, ladies and gentlemen. He's gonna get it. Should be a half in there, isn't there?
Okay.
All right. It's kind of nice just holding the camera to make sure that nut does not fall in that coolant hose. Coolant hole, whatever. That would be catastrophic. Then we gotta take the whole top of the motor off. Yeah. There we go. If you would stick your head way inside there,
Okay.
see the clip? It's like kind of orangish colored.
This?
Nope,
Or-
that's already off. There's a clip with the wire loom coming in.
Like over here?
Your finger's almost on it.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna very gently as you've ever gently as before, because this is really old, so the plastic will break. Okay?
Okay.
Barely lift it up, and that's gonna be, it's a plug. It unplugs from the alternator. You see how it unplugs? Plug.
Do I pull it this way?
Plug? No, the plug's coming towards me.
Oh,
So
okay.
it just barely lifts up.
What do you mean? Do I push it?
Yeah, you're pulling it towards me.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
But there's the little tab that you have to lift up on. And when you lift up on it, that's the part that you're barely lifting.
I'm so confused. I would take the belt off.
Alright, so whenever you want to take the belt off,
Mm-hmm.
this right here,
Mm-hmm.
this is called the belt tensioner.
Okay.
You're going to grab, probably just grab a 3/8 socket, or a, yeah, grab the 3/8 socket. So you get it on the belt tensioner.
Come on, it was just on. There.
And whenever you lift up on it,
Mm-hmm.
it's going to relieve the slack on the belt.
Alright.
Nope, go the other way. You shouldn't be pushing that hard.
Are you sure? Because this one's, yeah, that one's going tighter.
All right, finally figured out the belt tensioner. course, I was lying to him, telling him to move the wrong one. That's right. So now he's taking off the 2 mounting bolts on the alternator. Get that out of the way. Put the new one on. We're gonna have to, while that alternator's off, we're gonna try and get the rest of that housing off of the intake. So we're gonna have to go grab another one of those. Ooga dooga.
Are you sure it's this way?
Yep, ooga dooga.
Are you sure? Okay. There we go.
There it goes. So you thought I lied to you. Where did your nut go for the exciter wire?
Set it down.
Or the charging wire?
Over there.
Yeah, okay. Always keep track of your nuts and bolts and stuff. Won't go back together without it.
Oh.
Alright, now you got your bolts out. What you want to do, get right in here.
Okay.
You're going to try and gently, but yet with some oomph, try and get her out of there. Turn that over.
Ooh.
Turn that over.
Oh. Oh yeah, well, that's so much easier.
That's so much easier.
There we go.
And you're probably gonna put that pry bar like way deep in there.
Uh-huh.
There you go. Give her a little more love. Now grab onto it and kind of rock it back and forth. Yep. Don't hurt this line. Get that pry bar out of there. Get both hands on it. Kind of shake it back and forth as you pull it towards you. There you go. Get her on out.
There we go.
Alternator. Mission accomplished.
Yeah.
Alright, so with the broken heater hose coupler, evidently quite common thing once you jump on YouTube, look around for ways to get it out. Saw one old boy that was kind of doing the same thing I was with the screwdriver, trying to chip it out. I just didn't feel safe doing that. So they actually make tools to remove these that are branded to remove them, but it's the exact same thing as a nipple extractor. So I went, picked up a set of those, and let's try those.
There we go. There's the screwdriver.
Make sure that hose clamps all the way up towards the end of the hose. If you have to, loosen the hose clamp some, move it where you need it, then tighten it back
There
down.
we go. I got it.
Alright.
Uh-huh. Come on. There we go. Which clamp is it? Which one?
Whenever you pull your alternator out,
Yeah.
these right here, these are going to have to get compressed back in backwards, like this way, so your alternator fits down in there. Okay. So what you need to do is you grab a pair of them.
Try and pull it out.
And these guys need to come back out some. I can't do this one-handed. Alright, getting the alternator back on. Got the hose rerouted. Throw the belt back on here in a second. Fill it full of some water and start purging the system. Almost down to the moment of truth. Got the belt back on. Putting the charging wire on. Got the harness plugged back in. It is almost go time. All right, Ben.
Yeah.
What did you touch to do the job? Go back over all of it. Make sure you got everything together.
So what I did is I took off the pipe, and then
Heater hose.
I took off the heater hose,
Okay.
and then
Where's the heater hose connected to?
this.
And that's connected now.
And
Where's
then
the other end connected to?
over right here.
Back there. It's connected back there.
Mm-hmm.
What else did you take off?
We took off the belt. That's back
The
on.
belt's rerouted.
We put this back on.
Yeah. Charging wire.
Charging wire, and then put the plug back in
The
too.
plug's back in. Anything else?
No.
That was the very first step that you do when you do with electrical. That way you don't have a spark show.
Oh. Where's...
Oh,
Oh god, I forgot how to turn it on. Where's the thing?
it's underneath it. It's underneath the negative terminal.
Negative underneath. There's nothing.
You just folded it down.
Oh. Oh, spark.
Sparks. Hey. Good job, bud.
There we go.
Let's see if she pops off. Alright, we're charging now. Weren't charging before. Oh, windshield wipers are on. We don't need those. Now what you're wanting to do, bud, now what we're doing is we're checking for leaks here, checking for leaks down here. You want to go grab that light? There she is, a new project. She's running. Go over there and check for leaks, see if it's leaking anywhere. Watch your hair with that belt. Seriously.
It's not leaking. Yeah, I see it.
Okay. So now that that's running, take your cap off. And once the thermostat opens, once the motor gets warm, it's gonna suck all that in, and then we gotta keep filling it up.
I'm going to go refill the...
Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna get her topped off, let her get up to temperature, and see how she runs. Heater coolant line, alternator. There we go. Well, that ain't good. I think we definitely got a head gasket, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, she's dumping water. Well, crap. Alright, guys. Well, we figured out why they parked the truck. Obviously, the head gasket's gone. It smelt super sweet. That's obviously what it is. She's definitely throwing a lot of moisture out of the tailpipe. So start acquiring parts, and I think we'll try and tackle it. Obviously, everything's got to come off the top end of the motor, but we'll get it done. But I'm really proud of Ben today. He did a good job. Got the heater hose hooked up. That obviously started troubleshooting it. Got that out of the way. Alternator's running. There's a plus. But we're going to have to get the head gaskets fixed. So stay tuned. You'll see some more. Thanks a lot. See you next time on Max Boneyard Builds.